What we have here is we've got a blank PowerPoint slideshow, and then I also have my browser on top of that. So I want to show you how to do something. So one of the things I've explained in previous blog posts is how you can find clip art that has the same style. So let's just do a search of people. We're going to do a search of people, and we're going to search just clip art. And I'm on the Microsoft Office site, and so now I can find all these different people settings. And let's say I like this particular style of clip art. So what I can do is click on the image, and I don't know if you can see it here. It tells me that it's a style 1280. So I can click on style 1280, and what that'll do is it'll pull up all the images that match that particular style. And then what I'll do a lot of times is I don't really care, you know, like for example, this yoga person probably isn't something that I'm going to use in a course, or this angel down here. But what I'll do is I'll still pull in all these different images from that particular style, because there are times where I might want to use part of that. So maybe I want this particular person's head, or I want an arm here, or I want a phone, or whatever it is. So you never know what you're going to need. So it's kind of nice to have all of the images of one particular style. So what I'll do is I'll type in, and as you can see, I'll type in style 1280. That'll pull up all those styles. So let me move this over a little. And then here's our PowerPoint slide. And all you have to do is drag images over. So you don't even have to worry about, you know, the sizing and all that. So you can just copy and drag all your images over, and I'll just keep doing that. We'll drag a few more here. So you can see I don't even really care about the formatting. I'm just going to put them in there. I don't care where they're at on the screen. And so I can just copy and move all my images over, the ones that I want. And then I'm going to save this particular slide as style, let's see, what was this? Style 1280. So I'm just going to go File, Save As, PowerPoint, and we'll call this style 1280. So now I know what style, what image style that came from. And then I can close that out. So I don't even care about the formatting and stuff. What I used to do is I used to do this. You know, years ago, I would then take these clip art images and spread them out over a series of slides so that I can quickly scan the images. But I don't need to do that anymore. So what we're going to do is come to this folder where we have our style 1280 PPT. So we're just going to right click. We're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to extract that style. And now I'm going to go inside that folder. There's my media folder. And now you'll notice one of the things, I happen to have this EarthInView product. So these cases, these images, as you can see here, are WMF files. So the thumbnails aren't as viewable as you would be if you had like a JPEG or a PNG file. So I downloaded an application. I have a link to it on my blog called EarthInView, and you can click on it, and then you can quickly scan and look at the images. And then you can save them or name them if you wanted to do that. But anyway, the main point is you have all those images from that one style in one folder. And then again, you can go back to this folder, and you could, you know, call this, you know, media for 1280, just so you know what it was. And now you have all of your image files from that particular style in one image. And then it's just a matter of loading those into your course when you need them. So that's a quick way to do that. Of course, if you loaded GIF files or PNGs or image files, they would work a little different. So if we go back to that PowerPoint and we go to a style, let's go ahead and do this. Let's do some searches for photos, and you'll see how it's a little different. Well, we'll do people, and we'll do a search here. And then you'll notice that now my images, I'm going to go ahead and click pictures here. I'll just bring them in here, and we'll save that as style 1280. So let's go ahead and close these down. And let's go back to that 7-zip folder. We're going to delete this particular folder. Let's make sure I saved my style 1280 here. And so now this should be updated here. So now we're going to extract that. And we go back into that media folder. And then you'll see, you can actually see the thumbnails for those images that were actual images and not the WMF files. So it's a real handy way to quickly bring all your images together into one folder, and then you just extract it, and then you can pull that media folder and save it wherever you want to. I hope that helps you.